Hello, welcome back to Virtual Cookbook Club. I'm Miss Beth, here to help you out. Today we're doing something a little different. We are doing 1 minute microwavable mochi. The recipe actually says donuts on it. You can make it as a mug cake if you don't have one of those donut molds that go in the microwave. I'm going to use these little ramekins here, or souffle cups. If you got one of these from the library, this is all your dry ingredients. So this is your mochiko, which is sweet rice flour. It's gluten-free. There's also sugar, baking powder, and cocoa in here. So all your ingredients measured out in the bag here. And then I also have my wet ingredients. So I have a 1/4 cup of milk and some oil. Okay. So today, I'm just going to dump it in. And if you didn't get a bag from the library, give us a call. If we still have some left, they're all yours. If not, the recipe will be available online. And you can just follow it that way. So just pour your dry ingredients in there, and then you're going to add your oil and your milk. Whisk it up. And if you don't have a whisk, you can just use a fork. Got nice and mixed. And we're going to pour it into our little ramekins here. And then we're going to put them in the microwave one at a time. All right, so they look like that. One minute in the microwave, and then when they're done, you can either just sprinkle it with some powdered sugar, you can put some sprinkles on, or mini chocolate chips. You can make your own powdered sugar frosting, then that recipe will be attached to the recipe as well. But we're just going to do the basic one right here. So we're just going to wait for that to finish up. And you can do it in a mug. Or there you have those silicone donut molds. They do have the individual ones. Some of them are fancy shapes. You can always get those on Amazon if you want to get those, or just use whatever you have in the house. We're done. Okay, and be careful taking it out of the microwave as it is very hot. All right. And then once it cools, you can either put your frosting on, or you can put on just some powdered sugar, but you do want to let it cool down a little bit. All right. And that is our chocolate mochi cake. So I hope you enjoy. Thank you.